Output, block and commands. With Output Block Palette, you can structure the appearance of your output. There are 3 blocks under this category. They are print, print separated by, and print end with. Print is an output command that is used to print anything that is attached to it on the screen. It can be used to display answers, calculations, descriptions, and instructions for users. Print multiple items. The steps required to print multiple items are as follows. Click on this icon on the print block to open print settings. A small window will appear. This item block on the left can be dragged and attached to the print block on the right. Print command. To print various kind of data types in AI Connect, do the following coding and run and click on Run button.